Friends, today I am going to teach you how to fix Windows problem, no bootable device. Such as like when you open your laptop, there's this thing that appears on your screen saying no bootable device. And definitely we need a bootable device.
Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you.
First, you also need to have a flash drive, because in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix that problem, how to make a bootable device, how to apply it, how to reformat your PC, because that's the only cure in that kind of problem. No bootable device. Reformatting your PC is the only cure. Let's do this. First, let's start in making a bootable device. Let's watch this. So we're going to store in it Windows 10 ISO file. Alright, the first that we need to download, of course, we have the Rufus, okay, in which it will help us to convert this flash drive into a bootable device. Next thing that we also need to download is the Windows 10 ISO. If you want any other operating system such as Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, you may just download it. Okay, alright, there are so many sites that we may visit to download the ISO files. Okay, I also recommend Get Into PC. Okay, that's the link, Get Into PC, to download your desired applications or softwares. Right, so the first thing that we need to do is, of course, to plug in this USB drive into one of our ports. Okay, the next, after downloading Rufus, okay, let's run the application. Actually, I've already formatted the flash drive that we have right here, okay, since it will just then erase the files stored in it if we make a bootable device. Right, so we have here the application of application Rufus. Then we'll run it as administrator. Right, okay, wait for it to respond. Alright, definitely this is already the application. Okay, drive properties in here. If you attach a USB drive, it will automatically detect it or be detected. Okay, we have a 16 GB flash drive here. Right, the next thing that we need to do is, of course, to select the ISO file or insert the ISO file of Windows 10. Right, let's click select. Then we will be redirected to the folder or the drive in which we stored the Windows 10 ISO. I'm gonna click this one, then click open. Right, then next, let's proceed to image option. We only have two options here. Let's click standard Windows installation. Partition scheme, let's make it MBR. Right, then we're good to go. Let's start. It will ask us if we format. Definitely, if you want to make this flash drive a bootable pen drive, then definitely we are obliged to reformat it. Click OK. Then we'll just wait for it until it's done. Okay, this one will definitely take a while. So we are almost done. Okay, 99%. Then we'll see what happens to, or what will happen with our flash drive. Okay, then later on we're good to use it to reformat any device, any laptop that you want to reformat, or even desktop computers, right? So we'll just then wait. 99.6%. Right, so it's already finalizing, it's almost done. And all right, we're good to go. We're gonna close Rufus now. Then we'll let's visit our flash drive. There you go. We already have here the installers for Windows 10, and we may use this. This is already a bootable device. Okay, we may already use this to reformat laptops. Okay, change it, operating system. All right. If you want another Windows, say for example Windows 7, Windows 8, you may just install the ISA file of those different versions of Windows and use it as installers. Okay, use it to reformat laptop or desktop computers. Okay, so next, this is also the step-by-step process of how to reformat your PC using the bootable device that you've just created.
Alright, so as you can see, I have here a laptop, alright? My laptop and my customer's laptop, okay? We've just finished reformatting this Acer. It's actually Core i7, alright? And today, I'm going to teach you how to actually reformat a PC, especially with this brand, alright? Acer. Step by step, using the shortest method that I know, the method that we usually do or use in reformatting PC. Clean reformat, an Acer Core i7. Let's do this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to get updated with my latest uploads. This is how to reformat a PC step by step. And of course, before we start, my dear friends, I would like to remind you that, of course, in using this method, we will enter the BIOS system, and we just need to set up. Okay? In terms of entering the BIOS using shortcut keys, for Acer laptops, we usually use F2 as key. I will teach you that one later on. You will see on the video. In terms of Dell laptops, which is my laptop right here, we often use F2 as well as key to enter the BIOS and escape. Alright? And in HP, we use escape key to enter the BIOS. Alright? So those are just some keys, but definitely you can search that one in Google. Before you reformat your PC, make sure that you will know first if how to enter its BIOS, depending on the brand, alright, of your PC. Alright? So without more talk, let's do this. Alright guys, so the first thing that you will do before you reformat your PC is of course to back up all your files, right? I'm currently using a hard drive, okay, and I'm backing up all the files of this laptop, okay. That's the first thing that you need to do. It's very important. Okay, so the next thing that we will do here, my dear friends, is of course to insert our bootable device. Make sure that it is shut down, okay. Let's insert our bootable device, and just like what I've said, in entering the BIOS, different laptop, different brands, we have different keys. But this time, since we have Acer, we're going to use F2 key to enter the BIOS. Okay, right. So make sure that your charger is also connected. Let's press the start button, then let's press F2 to enter the BIOS. F2. Alright, there you go. And this one will appear, my dear friends. Here, let's proceed to boot. Okay. The next, let's select our bootable device. I am using this SanDisk Cruiser's switch. Alright, how are we going to put this one on top? It should be on the number 1 so that our device will boot from our flash drive, which is my SanDisk. Alright, there you go, SanDisk. Okay, as you can see, there's an instruction here to move up. Press F6. There you go, it's moving up. F6 up to number 1. Alright, then after that, let's exit this one. Press F10. There you go, and this one will appear. Okay, save configuration changes and exit now. Hit enter. There you go. Alright, there you go, and this one will appear. Okay, let's choose 64-bit. Make sure that you will also check, okay, before you reformat a PC. Alright, is it 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. Alright, so 64-bit, hit enter again. There you go. Loading files. Just wait. Right, so in this moment, just wait for it, my dear friends, until the second notice will appear. There you go. We have here, there you go, Windows, language to install, of course, always choose English, United States. And all you need to do then here is to press this next. There you go. Then hit install now. There you go. Just wait for it. Patience is virtue. Alright? Okay, as you can see, setup is starting. There you go, and this one will appear. Let's just then check the box. I accept the license terms. Let's hit next. Okay, and in here, let's just then customize it. Since I will clean, reformat this PC, I will remove everything. Okay, but it will still then depend on you. Alright, so as we can see, the first option, install Windows and keep file settings and applications. But reformatting a PC will just then be useless if you will still if you will still let the files be remained. So just like what I've said earlier, back up first your files before you so that this time we will just then remove everything. Okay, so let's click in custom, install Windows only, click, and in here let's just then remove all the existing partitions, or just follow the different steps that I will teach you. Okay, so click on the different drives and hit delete. There you go, and hit OK. Same as true with here. Delete, don't be afraid. Okay, then next one, the different partitions that we have here, delete. Okay, there you go. Right, I will also delete this one. Right, there's only one partition now. Right, it's actually 1 terabyte, my dear friends. Right, the hard disk of this laptop. Okay, the next thing, let's click next. We can add partitions later on. Those are just partitions, and in here all you need to do then is to wait until it's done with the different process here. Okay, so wait and wait. Right, so in this moment, my dear friends, all you need to do then is to wait. Alright, wait and wait. Right, there you go, installing updates, finishing up. There's just a moment later on where you need to unplug this bootable device. Okay, when the notice your PC will start, there you go, let's remove the bootable device. Okay, then wait for it, and this one will just then restart. Okay, there you go. Right, there you go, restarting. Alright, there you go. And this one, this notice will appear again. All you need to do then here is to wait, my dear friends. Just wait and wait. Alright? Still loading. All you need to do is to wait. Patience is virtue. And mind you, my dear friends, in this moment your PC will restart several times. But don't worry, it's just a part of the game. There you go, starting services. Wait and wait and wait. Then later on we'll just then fill up everything, set up everything, and we're good to go. Alright? Alright, there you go. Getting devices ready, 48%. Wait and wait and wait. Alright, and here we go, my dear friends. After that process, this one will appear. Just a moment, and in here, all we need to do then is to set up, a few things, and we're good to go. So just wait for it, okay, until it loads some of the things that we need to fill in. Alright, and that's it. This is just simply of how to reformat a PC. Alright, so wait for it. Alright, so this one will appear. And let's just mute Cortana in this moment, my dear friends. There you go. I don't want to hear her voice. We'll just then set it up manually. Alright, so just wait for it. Alright, there you go. Let's start with the region. Is this your region? Of course, we'll just then choose Philippines this time. Alright, there you go. Just use your mouse or your scroll bar. PQRP. There you go. There's Philippines, my lovely country. Alright, so click on that one, then hit next. Yes. There you go. Next question. Keyboard layout, we'll just then choose US International. There you go. You can see US International. And hit yes again. Skip. There you go. Just wait for it. Alright, let's connect you to a network. I don't have an internet connection. That's why I'll just then choose I don't have internet. There you go. And choose continue with limited setup. There you go. And then here, let's just then put a name for our username for our PC. I'll just then put Acer PC. There you go. Acer. Oop, wrong spelling. There you go. Acer PC. There you go. Then hit next. Okay, and in here, let's just then input our password, right? Okay, make sure that you will remember your password, right? That's just my simple password. Okay. Next, hit next, and let's confirm our password. Alright, check it. There you go. Then hit next again. There you go. And in here, we just didn't need to answer. We just didn't need to answer some few questions. All we need to do is select 3 questions here. Basic questions. What was your first pet's name? We'll just then give an appropriate answer here. Doggy. There you go. Then hit next. Then let's select another question here. What's the name of the city where you were born? Santa Ana. There you go. Then hit next again. And for the last question, let's choose here. What was your childhood nickname? Junrei. Alright. Anyway, thanks to Sir Junrei for
letting me do this one or reformat his PC. Then after that, click accept. There you go. And hit yes. There you go. So just wait for it. Wait and wait again, my dear friends. There you go. Hi! We're almost done. Okay, so we're getting everything ready for you. And this notice will appear as well. This might take several minutes. All you need to do then here is to wait. Alright, so it says there, don't turn off your PC. Wait and wait. Right? Leave everything to us. Almost done, my dear friends. Alright, there you go. We've just done reformatting our this PC. Alright, so that's it. No more files. New Windows, new operating system for this Acer laptop. Thank you so much for watching, my dear friends. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and mabuhay. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned something and see you next time.